Hi friends, it's Miss Tujo, a kindergarten teacher with St. Tammany Parish Public Schools. I'm here with you today to do another math problem of the day. Remember, when we do a math problem of the day, we're going to read a math problem and then we're going to try to solve it or find an answer to that problem. We're going to read the problem, we're going to figure out what the problem is asking, and then we're going to use that important information to help us draw that model or that drawing. Today's problem is asking us to find an unknown number using tens and some ones. Let's read our problem and see what the problem is asking us to do today. It says, I picked 14 flowers. 10 were red and the rest were blue. How many blue flowers did I pick? Well, let's think about that. What is the question that the problem is asking? That's right. The question is, how many blue flowers did I pick? Now, let's see if we can find out what information in that problem we can use to help us find the answer to that problem. I'm going to use my red and my blue marker to help me, since I know that's the colors that were in the problem. So let's look. I picked 14 flowers. Well, that's an important number right there, 14. I know that's 14 flowers all together. Now, let's see what other information we can find. 10 were red. To help me remember that, I'm going to use my red marker, and I'm going to underline that 10 were red. Now I can remember how many were red. And the rest were blue. Let's see, the rest were blue. So now we have all the information from our problem. What could we do to help us solve that problem? Let's think. Could I make something? Could I draw something? Yes, drawing a picture would be a great idea to help us with this problem. So let's see, what do I need to draw? Let's look back to our problem. I picked 14 flowers. Well, if there's 14 flowers all together, then I think I probably need to go ahead and draw 14 flowers. Can you count with me as I draw them, just to make sure that I get the right number? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There's 14 flowers. Let's count them again just to make sure we had the right amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are my 14 flowers. So I've done the first part of the problem. There are 14 flowers. But remember, it wants to know how many blue flowers I picked. So again, how can I figure that out? What do I need to do next? You're right. It said 10 of them were red. If I color 10 of these flowers red, and I know the rest are blue, that'll help me figure out how many blue flowers I have. So let's get our red crayon or marker, and let's see if we can color 10 of them red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, you'll notice that when I colored my flowers, I didn't color them all the way in. I just made a little bit of color so I could see. And you'll also notice that I tried to keep my flowers, my 10 flowers, all together. If you wanted to color some of the ones over here, that's fine too. I just like to keep mine all nice and neat together so that I can find that group of 10 when I'm ready to do that. So now it says 10 were red. Did I do that? Yes, we colored 10 red now. So let's see, the rest were blue. Well, these don't look blue. What's something I could do to make sure that I know that they're blue? That's right, I can color the rest of them blue. So let's go ahead and color the rest of them blue, because we know that all the rest of them were blue. And now, how are we going to find out how many are blue? That's right, we're going to count the blue flowers to see how many blue flowers we have, because that's the question. How many blue flowers did I pick? So let's count the flowers together. Can you count with me? Great. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 4 blue flowers. So I've answered my question now. How many blue flowers did I pick? We know we can count them, or now we can just look at where I wrote the number. We know that we have 4 blue flowers. But let's take this a step further. Let's see what else we can do with this. Let's see if we can find a group of 10. Yes, now you know why I put those flowers together like that. I told you I was going to find a group of 10. So let's find a group of 10. We know there are 10 red flowers, but again, let's count them again to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now to find a group of 10, I am going to take my pencil or marker or crayon, whatever you're using, and I'm going to draw one large circle around that group of 10. You see how I circled that 10? Now, my question to you is, how many groups of 10 do I have? I know there's 10 flowers, but how many groups do I have? How many circles of flowers did I make? You're exactly right. Y'all are so smart. I only have one group of 10. So I have 1, 10. Now, if this is a group of 10, how many leftover ones do I have? That's right. I have 4 ones. So, now we know that we had how many flowers altogether? 14. And now we know that we can break that 14 apart to one group of 10 and 4 leftover ones. So 1 10 and 4 ones is going to equal how many? That's right, 1 10 and 4 ones is going to be 14. Now, my challenge for you is this week, find another teen number, that's any number from 11 to 19. Find any number that's greater than 10 from 11 to 19. And I want you to see if you can model that using flowers or using a different picture, whatever you would like to do. You could use eggs, you could draw tigers or bears, whatever you would like to do. But I'd like to see you model that. And don't forget to send them in on the St. Tammany Parish Public Schools Facebook page and let us see your work. We would love to see it. So remember, today we found an unknown number using 10s and 1s by drawing a picture. And next time, I can't wait to see what we do the next time. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.